Okay, so I ordered this motor from mafscooters. There's the username right there. This is a 48 volt 2000 watt generic MAF scooter motor. They're just generic Chinese scooters. Here's the track number, and as you can see it just says in transit still. Now I did, you know, supposedly it got to Houston, but it never ever got to my house. I don't know why. Yeah, no idea, but it's not been, it's not gone back to the delivery office or anything like that, and they've not given me a refund, although I've not got my electric motor. So, you know, what the hell's going on? MAF scooters, they suck. F MAF scooters, seriously, bunch of wankers. So, yeah, I will leave negative feedback, but I'll do it after I've made the YouTube video. So, you know, they've eBay have basically decided in their favour. So if I go through here, come on, you heap of shit, load up. We've determined you won't receive a refund. What the hell? Even though it didn't get to my house. And so, yeah, unfortunately, it says the case has been resolved, but it has not been. Yeah, eBay and MAF scooters, well, useless bunch of muppets.